we can get rid of these brushy species without fire. There's no doubt about it. We're going to have to use chemical application. We're going to have to use mechanical tree saws and chainsaws and everything else. A, that costs money, and B, it's not the way that it has always worked in nature like fire has been. Fire has an amazing way of rejuvenating something back to its natural state, whether it's a forest or a native tall grass prairie or steppes or you name it. There's plenty of historical data that'll show that as devastating as a fire can be, especially when it wasn't necessarily a prescribed fire, it returned that ecosystem to a lot closer to its quote unquote long-term natural state. And so the cost would be high in dollars, but I think it would also be high in just the distance we separate from the natural ecosystem that the native range can be in.